Do you like graham crackers though? Oh,
Yes.
Yes.
We're gonna be showing you how to make Dairy Queen. Was it? Yeah, burger. That's what it's called. So you want to get some mini Oreos. You want to put like the whole bag in, maybe.
Whatever you want.
Oh.
One fell.
Bag fell, guys. I love it. Keeps it.
Hey, Graham. Graham, do you have special guests?
What? Yeah, no. Okay, y'all didn't hear that. You didn't hear that, guys. No, get out the damn.
I'm a cookie.
Graham, what are we making today? Can I help?
No.
Okay.
Get out
Be right
the
back,
damn
guys.
seat.
Can I have one cookie?
No.
Please. That's not one.
Please. When? Yeah, we're just gonna put the whole bag in, to be honest. That's the technical, what? Alright, so next step you want to do is once you get your Oreos, once you get your Oreos, look at a aggressive way. Very aggressively up. And this is what it looks like so far. They're dead corpse.
Do what?
Say hi to Elvis.
Oh, you're videoing me?
Yep.
Here, you scoop it. I'll help you, but you scoop it, and I'll video you. Yep.
She's the cameraman. Girl, man. Oh, so you're gonna do this. I can't do this.
You're okay.
Should be good. I said you would have wondered one time I didn't do that, but is it splashes everywhere?
Make sure to hold the bowl.
It's out of control! Outstanding. I'm gonna grab a corpse of Oreos here. And we're gonna just about like 100% of it. Yeah, that's just it. There we go.
Okay, and then you want to blend that up?
Yep, gonna blend that up again.
Make sure to hold the bowl.
Here's ice cream back. That's a lot of Oreos in one. Oh, I got some.
It's okay.
Taste test. Sorry, guys. You were gonna skirt this out in the bowl. Winner! Get the dogs outside. When I'm done with this clip. No! Ice cream! You want to scoop all this out and put it into the bowl. Well, cup or bowl. Whatever you want. You want to put this in. How do we make Colton clean this up? Yay!
I'm not cleaning that up.
Yeah, you are! This is just for extra big one Oreo? Well, if you got one more. Kaboom.
Yeah.
Now we make Colton clean this up. Water, dairy, Colton. Colton, you made me do it.
Now the only reason I had you right there is so the cord would reach. Here. And then I'll clean that.
This mother trucker.